Hello students, good morning. Let's start today's class. Dear student, before starting the class, few things that I want to tell you regarding Gandhi Jayanti, and we are celebrating its Swachh Bharat mission. Dear student, on 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti, few competitions are there for you. Competition is related with poster making and essay writing. In poster making, you have to draw your poster. The topic will be Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and in essay writing you have to write essay on cleanliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness, मीन्स स्वच्छता में ईश्वर का वास होता है. पोस्टर मेकिंग में बेटा है, फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. पोस्टर मेकिंग में स्वच्छ भारत अभियान आपको इससे रिलेटेड थीम ड्रॉ करनी है. एंड ऐसे में बेटा आपको लिखना है, ऐसे लिखनी है उसमें क्लीनलीनेस इज नेक्स्ट टू गॉडलीनेस. एंड स्पीच इज अलाउड फ्रॉम क्लास 5 to 11, so no need, you can take part in both two competition, poster making and essay writing. In poster making, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan topic, and in essay the topic is cleanliness is next to godliness. And the topic which you want to draw and which you want to share and by which you want to take part in the competition, you can share your things on a WhatsApp number I am going to give you. So note down in your notebook, beta, the WhatsApp number 7754819829. I am repeating it once again, 7754819829. This is the WhatsApp number on which you have to message. And dear student, let's start today's class. Today we will revise the exercise and word bank of food and clothes. First of all, word bank is pulses, seeds of some plants such as beans and peas eaten as food. Seeds of some plants such as beans and peas eaten as food, that is called pulses. Pulses मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? दाल. Next is traditional, passing of custom and beliefs from one generation to another. ट्रेडिशनल मतलब होता है बेटा जो चीज़ें, जो रीति रिवाज, जो विश्वास है हमारे, वो एक पीढ़ी से दूसरे पीढ़ी की तरफ ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. मतलब एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन की तरफ ट्रांसफ़र होते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड ट्रेडिशनल. नेक्स्ट इज धोती, लुंगी, वेस्टी, मुंडू. धोती, it is this dhoti is known as different names. Dhoti, lungi, vesti, mundu. A cloth worn by men around the waist. मतलब जो हम लोग लुंगी लपेटते हैं, जिसको लुंगी बोलते हैं हम लोग, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? धोती, लुंगी, वेस्टी एंड मुंडू. नेक्स्ट इज टर्बन. ऑल यू नो अबाउट टर्बन. टर्बन मतलब होता है बेटा पगड़ी. लॉन्ग लेंथ ऑफ मटीरियल worn around the head by men. मतलब किसी भी आदमी के द्वारा सिर पे बांधी गई जो लंबा कपड़ा होता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? पगड़ी, टर्बन. एंड इट इज़ worn by men. Next is exercise, fill in the blanks. In this section you have to fill the blanks with correct words. First of all, the clothes that people wear in influenced by is influenced by the dash of place, is influenced by climate of the place. Answer will be climate. Answer will be climate. So keep in mind, answer will be climate. Next is, people generally eat dash in the northern states. In northern states people generally eat wheat, मतलब roti. Next is, the several states of India, men cover their heads with a dash. Men cover heads with a turban. Head with a turban. Okay. The several states of India, men cover their heads with a turban. Turban मतलब बेटा पगड़ी. Next is, a cloth worn around the waist by men is called, different names are there. It is called dhoti, lungi, mundu, vesti, mundu. These are the different names by which it is known as. Dash is famous for Nagpur oranges. Dash is famous for Maharashtra. Maharashtra is famous for Nagpur oranges. Next is beta match the following. In match the following, we have to match column A with column B. First one is cereal. Cereal is related with C. Answer will be C. Wheat. Spice. Spice is related with clove. Clove is a spice. Clove means होता है बेटा long. Spice is related with B. Cloves. Next is turban. Headwear for men. It is, turban is a headwear for men. Answer will be E. Next है बेटा pashmina. Pashmina, it is related with a type of wool. So a type of a wool. Answer will be D. Next is coconut. Coconut is mainly found in Kerala. Keep in mind. But cereals are energy giving food, and in this wheat and rice are there, the food by which we get energy. Next is spice. Cloves. Clove come in spice family. C. Turban, headwear for men. Next is pashmina. Pashmina, a type of wool. Coconut is found mainly in Kerala. So keep in mind, and it's all about the revision. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Thank you.